I hope you're having a wonderful start to your day. I'm here at this beautiful place waiting for a friend before she goes back. She wants us to have breakfast, so I am here having my second breakfast. Gracias. Gracias. Take a picture. Sorry, sir. You stole my heart. There's no copyright on this, so. I thought it was a recording. It's like this. Hendy is a fast runner. I'm trying to keep up with this big boy. I had a pretty good brunch this afternoon, morning into afternoon. Got back home and had my siesta. Now this boy wants to go out, and so here we are doing the thing he wants to do. I'm out of breath. After all, he wants his fun time too, eh?
Sí, primero que ahora sí.
Had his fun time. He doesn't want to go home. I guess now he does, because he's walking me and not me walking him. So I'm gonna end the video here. The light is so good, but I'm gonna end the video here. Remember to stay positive, think on possibilities, and see you in the next video. Bye bye. Hasta luego.